And then the next is, I think, 2,200,000, right? So if you are earning up to 2,200,000 in a year, then you will pay, should it be 15%? Yeah, I think it's 15%. You should pay 15%. And then it goes on and on like that. So if you are earning above 2.2, there is a percentage you will also pay. But the major thing is that for anybody that earns less than 800, they are not paying any tax. It's a zero tax. But above it, then you can tax. And it is segmented. I think the first 2,200, then the other ones, the higher it goes, the higher you pay. And there are also some tax reliefs, like rent relief. So by the time we look at your salary, there is a way you are relieved of the, I think it's 20% of your annual rent that you are relieved of. Yeah. Or 500,000 per annum. Yeah. So if 20% of your annual rent is not up to 500, fine. If it is beyond 500, now you are going to be relieved of 500. So there is a minimum. So 500 if your 10% of your rent is above it, it's still that 500 and you will.
So based on that, explain to me how you feel this tax favors the rich and not the poor. Before now, just like you mentioned, before now, no, from inception, it has always been as well. It's mostly employee and employer that pay tax. So let's take it to business. In business today, before you can pay tax, I think you need to earn above average of
100 million. And your fixed asset of 250 million.
So explain to me how you have a revenue of 100 million and you're a poor man.
Do you know the interesting thing about this business I talk about? The interesting thing about business I talk about is that if your revenue is not up to like 100 million, you are not paying CIC, you are not paying CPT, you are not paying development fee. Do you understand? You are exempted from almost all the taxes, and you have a fixed asset of 250 million. You are exempted. It means that government needs more people to come out. Come into entrepreneur and all that. I see them doing a lot to make sure that this economy
it's a real encouragement.
Yeah. So the thing is that, okay, continue.
So most of the people that protest online, go to social media, you see them protesting, there are people who do not even understand. Like, they are illiterate when it comes to tax. They do not really understand this thing. Like, seek advice, ask for professional, look for a tax consultant. What does this thing is? How does it affect you? Instead of coming online, insulting governments, ranting over, nobody is taxing an innocent man who is a vulcanizer outside. Nobody is taxing a woman who sells popcorn there. No. They want to tax the weak people who are, you are benefiting from this country, but you do not want to add any value.
Sure.
And these are the same set of people that complain, we do not have good road. I know Nigerian governments have their own bad side, but we leave that.
That's what I'm going to. That's actually where I'm going to. Because they find they're benefiting from the country and they're not. Can there be a system where people know how their tax flow and what their tax flow is being used for? How their tax flow is like and what their tax flow is being used for? LRS and whatever they have, they just send you, you're paid, blah 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 blah. Most of the time, maybe they send it to your mail or something. Can there be a system? I'm just thinking out loud. Can there be a system where people know, okay, this is what my tax is being used for, this is how the government is able to, fix this money into XYZ. I don't know, I'm just thinking.
Okay, Esther, Rome was not busy. Let's first welcome this development with an open heart. Believing that, okay, before, it's possible for you not to declare your income and all that. But now, I believe, according to what we've seen, that they are digitalizing everything.